It is a sight you just love to see. Ballerinas in tutus and toes pointed. Oh, it'll fill your heart with glee.
The Moscow Ballet and local dancers brought a bit of magic to the stage tonight. Fox 30's Chelsea Jones shows us.
Dancing snowflakes, mice, and toy soldiers twirled across the stage in an unforgettable performance tonight at the Temple Theater. The Moscow Ballet performed alongside local dancers to showcase the Nutcracker, a story of love and magic.
It's an example of true form of classical ballet, which we don't get in Meridian that often, so we're very excited.
80 local dancers auditioned to perform with the Russian Dance Company.
It's such a treat to have them on stage and also for them to see a professional cast and to work on stage with some of the best in the world.
After months of rehearsal, local dancers have learned much from their experience in a classical ballet.
It's a lot of fun, but it teaches them a lot of different disciplines, and of course it's good for physical fitness, it's good for poise, for posture.
The ballet is the story of a young girl who dreams that her toy Nutcracker turns into a human prince. The prince defeats the Mouse King and takes the girl to an enchanted place called the Land of Sweets. This dancer reveals her favorite part of the show.
Dancing on stage.
And this dancer explains why she loves the Nutcracker.
Because it's special to me.
The show began at 7 o'clock p.m. This is the 12th year that the Nutcracker has been performed in Meridian. Chelsea Jones reporting, Fox 30 News.